Hi students, good morning. In previous class, we have discussed about properties. If f and g are two functions and continuous, then f plus g also continuous, f minus g also continuous, f into g continuous, f by g where g not equal to 0 continuous. Next, the mod x is continuous every way because there is no break in the graph of mod x. Greatest integer function step x is continuous at what point? Non-integer. Why? Because at non-integer there is no break in the graph. Okay? The discontinuous h integer, because at integer it has break stepwise. Okay? Next, sin x is continuous every way, cos x is continuous every way, tan x is continuous at r minus r except 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Cot x is continuous r except n pi. Okay. Sec x is continuous r except 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Cosec x continuous r except n pi. Okay. Right. Today we will discuss about question number 24. Determine if f defined by f of x equal to x square sin 1 by x not equal to 0. X equal 0, 0 is continuous function. Okay. At what point we are going to find limit? At 0. At x equal to 0. Tell me function value f of 0 is 0. Limit x tends to 0 f of x. Here no need to find left limit and right limit. Why? Because below 0, above 0 they are not given. So it is not changing at 0. So no need to find left limit and right limit. You can find direct limit. So limit x tends to 0. What is the meaning of x tends to 0? X not equal to 0. X not equal to 0. X not equal to 0. Tell me x square sin of 1 by x. X square sin of 1 by x. X tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. Except 0. Okay. What x is equal to 0 here? 0 into sin of 1 by 0 means infinite. 0 into sin infinite value. Sin infinite is sin of 1 lakh, sin of 2 lakhs, sin of 1 crore. How much? The value lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Don't know exactly. Whatever you take, the value of sin is lies between plus 1 to minus 1. As x increases, the value never cross plus 1, never cross minus 1. Okay? Sin infinite is a very big value. That is lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So find 0 into finite. 0 into finite value equal to 0. So limit value is 0. Limit x tends to 0 f of x equal to function value f of 0. Both are same. Limit value equal to function value. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 0. F is continuous at x equal to 0. Understood? Here, don't find left limit and right limit. No need to find left limit and right limit. Why? Because it is not changing at 0. If it is not changing at 0, no need to find left limit and right limit. You can find, but time waste. Okay, when it is changing, then you should find left limit and right limit. If given like this, x less than 0 some function, x greater than 0 some function. If given means it's changing at what point? 0. Then we should find left limit and right limit. So like that, not negative. Here below 0 is this is only, above 0 is this is only. That's why not changing. Next, question number 25. Examine the continuity of f where f is defined by f of x equal to sin x minus cos x. If x not equal to 0, minus 1 if x equal to 0. X equal to 0. At what point we will find limit? At x equal to 0. Is it changing function? No. So no need to find left and right. So find the function value first. F of 0 minus 1. F of 0 minus 1. So limit x tends to 0 f of x. Limit of x tends to 0 means x not equal to 0. Then sin x minus cos x. Put x equal to 0, sin 0 minus cos 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, which is equal to minus 1. So limit of x tends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 0. F is continuous at x equal to 0. Next, the most important question from question number 26 to 29. These are very important 4 marks questions. Most important is from question number 26 to 29 or 30. Find the values of k. Find the values of k so that the function f is continuous. So that function f is continuous. At the indicated point, f of x equals k cos x by pi minus 2x if x not equal to pi by 2. 3 if x is equal to pi by 2. 8 x is equal to pi by 2. Important question. You will ask many times. This is 4 marks. From this continuity, only one question they will ask. The weightage of the question is 4 marks. Only 4 marks question will come. The 4 marks, 99% chances from there, 26 to 29 questions. Okay? This is it changing at pi by 2? No. Below pi by 2, above pi by 2, this is only. If given like this, x less than pi by 2, x greater than pi by 2. Here some function is given. Then it is changing at what point? Pi by 2. Like that not given. So it is not changing. So no need to find left hand and right hand. Directly we can find. Already exists this. Given that f is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Given that f is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, then find k value. F is continuous means limit value equal to function value. So limit of x tends to pi by 2, f of x equal to f of pi by 2. At this point, this is the limit value and this is the function value. Okay? Limit of x tends to pi by 2 meaning is x not equal to pi by 2. X not equal to pi by 2, k cos x by pi minus 2x. F of pi by 2 equal to 3. F of pi by 2 equal to 3. Now let's find the limit. This is, I think, already you have learned in the first page. See, if you put x is equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2, 0. 0 by 0 form 0. Here pi to x is equal to pi by 2 get cancelled. Pi minus pi is 0 by 0 form. If it is 0 by 0 form, how to find limit value? Using standard limits. What is the denominator standard limit? There is no standard limit in the cos form. There is a formula sin. limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. This is the standard limit. So this one we have to convert into that form. Are you following? Cos x, how to convert? Sin. Sin 90 minus x equal to cos x. What is the k? K constant, take out. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Tell me cos x equal to sin of 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x equal to cos x. Divided by, here 2 take common here. 2 take common here. Pi by 2 minus x. Why should take 2 common to get this form? Equal to 3. See, sin x is this. This is considered x by x. Sin x by x. As x tends to 0, pi by 2 transform this side. Limit k by 2 constant, take out k by 2. Limit of x tends to pi by 2. Sin of 90 minus x by 90 minus x equal to 3. This is pi by transfer this side. X minus pi by 2 tends to 0. Pi by transfer this side. X minus pi by tends to 0. Then minus multiply here. K by 2 limit x tends to. When you multiply by minus both sides, we get here pi by 2 minus x tends to 0. Minus 0 is 0. Sin of 90 minus x by 90 minus x equal to 3. This is the form of standard formula. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. Right? Limit, this is considered x tends to 0, sin x by x, which is equal to 1. So k by 2 into 1 equal to 3, k equal to 6. This is the most important. Here, getting this, writing this part, you will get 1 mark. And apply function and making it this form, 1 mark. And after this, getting this 1 mark, at last getting this k equal to 6, 1 mark. The total is 4 marks. Most and most important. Here, left limit, right limit, I have not used it. Why? Because it is not changing at x equal to pi by 2. If they given x less than pi by 2, if x greater than pi by 2, then you should write left limit equal to right limit. Once again, listen here. What is given here? F is continuous. At what point? X equal to pi by 2. That means limit equal to function value at x equal to pi by 2. X tends to pi by 2. At pi by 2, is it changing? No. So no need to find left limit and right limit. We can write direct function. To find the limit, okay, first check it. What form it is? 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form is indeterminate form. If it is indeterminate form, then how to find convert it to standard elements? What is the standard formula? There is no standard formula in terms of cos. There is a formula in terms of sin or tan. But tan we can't convert, sin we can convert. Okay? Cos x equal to sin of 90 minus x. By 90 minus x. 2 take common. So this is sin x by x form. 2 and k take out constant. Okay. Limit as x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Here I have done multiply by minus. Here minus will get here plus. Minus 0 is 0. Yes. Understood? Next, so the important question number 27. F of x equals kx square if x less than or equal to 3 if x is greater than 2 at x equal to continuous. Find the k value. Tell me given that f is continuous at x equal to 2. F is continuous at x equal to 2. Limit value, continuous means limit value equal to function value. Limit value equal to function value at 2. X tends to 2 means x not equal to 2, but not given x not equal to 2. What is given? Below 2 and above 2. That means it is changing. If it is changing means we should find left limit and right limit. Limit exists means left limit equal to right limit. Right here, left limit. Limit of x tends to 2 minus f of x. Is already limit exists. That means left limit equal to right limit. Limit of x tends to 2 plus f of x equal to f of 2. The difference of the previous problem and this, understood? The previous problem they are not given changing. There x not equal to pi by d. Here changing below 2 above 2. Then limit value document direct there. Here not given. So we should find left limit and right. So limit exists means left limit equal to right limit. So limit of x tends to 2 minus below 2 kx square. Limit of x tends to 2 plus above 2 3. F of 2 equal comes this kx square. K into x is equal to 2 square. So put x is equal to here k into 2 square equal to 3 k into 4. This is same here. Anyone you can take 4k equal to 3. K is equal to 3 by 4. This is the 4 marks question. It will ask many times. Okay. If you want to copy, pause that one, stop, and you can copy. Next, question number 28. F of x equals kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to pi. Cos x if x greater than pi. At x equal to pi. At x equal to pi. Given that f is continuous at x equal to pi. F is continuous at x equal to pi means limit value equal to function value. Tell me limit of x tends to pi f of x equal to f of pi. Limit here at pi, check it. Is it changing function or not? Changing. So we should find left limit and right limit. Limit x tends to pi minus f of x equal to limit x tends to pi plus f of x equal to f of pi. Limit of x tends to pi minus below pi kx plus 1. Limit x tends to above pi cos x equal to f of pi. Pi comes under this. Put x is equal to pi k pi plus 1. X is replaced by pi. Put x is equal to pi here. K pi plus 1 cos pi equal to k pi plus 1. This is same. K pi plus 1 equal to cos pi is minus 1. K pi equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. K equal to minus 2 by 5. The most important. It lost many times. Copy. Next, question number 29. F of x equals kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to 5. 3x minus 5 if x greater than 5. At x equal to 5. Given that f is continuous at x is equal to 5, then limit of x tends to 5 f of x equal to f of 5. So here x not equal to 5 not given, left limited, right limited. So limit of x tends to 5 minus f of x, limit of x tends to 5 plus f of x equal to f of 5. Limit of x tends to below 5 kx plus 1 equal to limit of x tends to above 5 3x minus 5. F of 5 equal 5, substitute here x equal to 5, k 5 plus 1. Put x is equal to 5 here, 5k plus 1 equal 3 into 5 minus 5 equal to 5k plus 1. This is same. 5k plus 1 equal to 15 minus 5 equal to 10. 5k equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. So k is equal to 9 by 5. Equal to 9 by 5. Next question number 30. Also important. Find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x equal to 5 if x is less than or equal to 2. Ax plus b if 2 less than x less than 10. 21 if x is greater than or equal to 10 is a continuous function. Given that f is continuous function. F is continuous function. F is continuous function, everywhere it is continuous. At what point changing here? 2 and 10. Turning points. So at 2 also it is continuous, at 10 also it is continuous. Okay? F is continuous. F is continuous at x equal to 2. That means limit of x tends to 2 f of x equal to f of 2. Limit of x tends to 2 minus f of x. Limit of x tends to 2 plus f of x equal to f of 2. Limit of x tends to 2 minus below 2 5 2 plus above 2. Limit of x tends to above 2 ax plus b equal to f of 2. F of 2 comes under this equal to 5. So 5 equal to, put x is equal to here 2a plus b. So one equation we got it 2a plus b equal to 5. Let this equation number is 1. Yes. Next, f is continuous. One more point at x equal to 10. Given that is a continuous everywhere is continuous. At 10 also is continuous. 10 means changing at left and right. Limit of x tends to 10. F of x equal to f of 10. Limit of x tends to 10 minus f of x. Limit of x tends to 10 plus f of x equal to f of 10. Below 10, limit of x tends to 10. Below 10, ax plus b. Above 10, 21. Equal f of 10 is this is only. Put x is equal to 10 here, 10a plus b equal to 21. Let the equation, this number is 2. By solving these 1 and 2, we will get a and b. How to solve? Subtract, b will be cancelled. Okay? By solving equation 1 minus equation 2. Tell me equation 1 here. 2a plus b equal to 5. Next, 10a plus b equal to 21. By subtracting, sign will be changed. Get cancelled. 2a minus 10a minus 8b. 5 minus 21 equal to minus how much? 60. So get cancelled. A is equal to 16 by 8 equal to 2. A equal to substitute in equation either 1 or 2. So from 1 2a plus b equal to 5, a equal to 2, 4 plus b equal to 5, b is equal to 1. This is the answer. A equal to and b is equal to 1. Continue. 20 seconds.